It is Game 6 and the series has shifted back to Boston after Atlanta won in Game 5. Paul Pierce and company looking to close out the series and advance to play the Sixers, who won earlier in the night. Meanwhile, the Hawks hoping to force a Game 7, which would be back down south in Atlanta. Here is Al Horford missing, but Josh Smith is there for the tip-in. Hawks up by 1 midway through the first. Later in the first, great ball movement by the Celtics. Paul Pierce hits 3 of his 18 points, also had 7 assists. Time winding down to the first quarter. Tracy McGrady drives, kicks. Kirk Hinrich drills it. Hawks up by 4 as we head to the second. More from the ATL in the second. Tracy McGrady over to Marvin Williams from downtown. He had 16 points and 8 rebounds. Back on the other end of the floor, Rondo over to Paul Pierce. The layup and an opportunity for one more. He would make the free throw. Boston gets within 1 at 31-30. Hawks miss, and here come the Celtics. Rajon Rondo gets the easy lay-in. Fooling the D. Hawks want to travel? No, sir. On to the third quarter. Boston up 53-48, but the Hawks cut into the deficit. Marvin Williams from downtown, 2-point game. Off the bench, Ray Allen, corner 3 ball, book it. 65-57. Boston in control. But here comes Joe Johnson from the land of 3 over 2 defenders. It's a 2-point game. Time winding down to the third, under 5 seconds to go. Rajon Rondo to beat the buzzer, the step back. You betcha! Ruled a long 2-pointer. He had 14 points and assists. On to the fourth quarter we go. Boston leading by 7. Kevin Garnett on a 7-0 run, 74-65. On the other end, Josh Smith over to Al Horford, who struggled to start but finished strong. The alley-oop, he had 15 points, and the Hawks are back within 1. Josh Smith driving the lane, accelerating. Hawks up 1. Kevin Garnett got it going here. Gets the feed from Ray Allen. Garnett with 30 seconds to go. A high-arcing shot. He had 28 points, 14 rebounds, and 5 blocked shots. Other end of the floor. Josh Smith, the long jumper, not even close, no good. Ray Allen will be fouled, split 2 free throws. So now, Atlanta down by 2. Joe Johnson drives, shot no good. It is blocked away by Paul Pierce. Check out the defensive effort. So it's 81-79. Al Horford with 3.1 goes to the line. He misses the first free throw. He would hit the second to make it a 1-point game. Paul Pierce at the line makes the first and makes the second. So now, Atlanta down by 3, 1.3 to go. Jeff Teague can't get the shot off, and Boston hangs on to win it and eliminates the Hawks. Boston is moving on. Atlanta 9 of 10 in the game from the free throw line. Their only miss was costing them.